Hi everyone, and welcome to my new workout video called the Fmtv workout. Not many people know this, but before I started this awesome program, I was a massive 650-pound donut-eating machine. Since then, I have lost over 400 pounds and have never looked back. In this workout, you will do new and exciting reps to keep you and your body guessing what the hell you just got yourself into. The workout contains awesome new stuff like the stab and go for all those aspiring chop shop mechanics out there. And what workout would be the same without the infamous squat press and hernia revealer? New on the scene is the forearm shiver, an extended fan favorite of the fat-burning stab and go. Its unique psych feature will keep you guessing and ramp up that all-important demoralization factor. The step and jerk will taunt your feelings of happiness and drive them far from you, which is why this is my personal favorite, because feelings are for fat boys, wimps, and pencil neck geeks. There is no room for crying in this workout, but don't worry if you do, you will only get mocked unmercifully. The lumbar crusher, first developed in the gulags of Siberia, tells your brain that yes you can, when your back hasn't seen the spry 30s or even iffy 40s in several years. The disc slipper is another masochist's favorite. The run and shove it will give all those hungry for cardio the burn of a lifetime. This full body 10 miler will have your lactic acids crying for an ice cube. No pain, no gain. Just listen to one of our satisfied customers.
Try running your 10 miles pushing that, Sean. Ain't gonna happen.
And who could ever forget the nightmares from working out with fear as a motivation? If the hairy-legged, huge brown recluse spider doesn't do it for you, trainers in some parts have access to rattlesnakes. Work out with world-famous Grapthar in the Whack-A-Mole Forearm Builder. It will get you South Beach buff in no time. Babes will be dazzled by those arms and won't even notice the gut. The Michelin step-through exercise. Because what else can you do with these Maypops, except make a raised flower garden out of them? Here is another fan favorite, the hand pump schlep. Guaranteed 1,750 reps to lift the cab will bring tears of joy and fun-filled memories to last a lifetime. If this doesn't get your blood pumping, call 911 because you're having a heart attack. New to the lineup, but still well known, is the hand pump schlep in the prone position. I have been working out with LMTVs for almost 3 years now, and I can tell you I have never felt so strong, never felt so buff. It's a money-back guarantee on this workout. You will not regret it. The only thing you will regret is if I have to come after you, because LMTVs are where it's at. Order today. Let me tell you what, you will not be disappointed. Order your workout video today. You got it.
Not available in stores. To take advantage of this special offer, you must be between the ages of 18 and 65. To determine if you qualify, multiply your age times 4, subtract 7, divide by 2, then add 80. If your total is under 100, this qualifies you to order this program. If the total is over 100, stand by for our following special offer that will be released on the third weekend of Never on the fourth Tuesday of next month. All offers shall be voided if ordered from planet Earth. Moon or Mars-based patrons may order the program if when they develop a third arm or are attacked by any flying Martian plant life or graboid. Operators are standing by. Call now.